Educational assessment seeks to determine how well students are learning. It also pushes instruction by stressing the importance of critical thinking, reasoning, and reflection, thus creating a quality learning environment. In teaching learning scenario, a strong focus on process can lead to better outcomes, including improved efficiency, ability to innovate, ultimately leading to a more successful outcome. Realizing the importance of process, Directorate of Teacher Education and SCRT and Diet Khodha collaboratively implemented the process-based assessment in the Prayogshala school. Moreover, the initiative demonstrated the assessment for learning and assessment as learning in our situation. The project commenced with a detailed discussion in the project team consisting of Principal Diet, Block Education Officer, CRCC, Headmaster and teachers of Prayogshala School Diet faculties.
बसिचे आमे जानिचे जेमते हमर प्रयोगशाला स्कूल रे गोटे एक्सपेरिमेंटल प्रोजेक्ट चलीची जोटा कि हमर चतुर्थ श्रेणी रे मैथ विषय को नेके हमें करूचे.
After thorough discussion, it was decided to implement the intervention in mathematics subject in grade 4. Diet faculties along with the teachers of the Prayogshala school have discussed the implementing strategies, developed rubrics with a clear timeline for implementation of all activities.
शिक्षण शिक्षादान समय रे प्रक्रिया भित्तिक मान निर्धारण करबा समय रे आमे सबु बेले प्रक्रिया को फलाफल ठारू बेस गुरुत्व देइथाउ कारण प्रक्रिया समय रे ही प्रत्येक पिलार इन डेप्थ स्टडी करा जाई पारे तार समस्यार चिन्हटीकरण करा जाई पारे एवं अभिनव पंथा माध्यम रे फलाफल को पहुँचेबा पाई सुविधा हेई पारि थाए. ए प्रक्रिया भित्तिक मान निर्धारण गुरुत्व को आखि आगे रखी प्रयोगशाला रे चतुर्थ श्रेणी रे गणित शिक्षादान समय रे रुब्रिक्स टूल रो व्यवहार करी असेसमेंट सीट रो व्यवहार पूर्वक विभिन्न प्रकार टूल्स और टेक्निक्स यूज करी शिक्षण शिक्षादान अगस्त 2024 रु फेब्रुआरी 2025 पर्यंत करा जायतिला.
Classroom observations were conducted to understand the students' activities and learning patterns. The concerned teacher, Mrs. Archanakar, collaborated with the Diet faculty and CRCC to prepare lesson notes in advance for each class following a monthly planner. Rubrics and other assessment tools were prepared a week ahead, enabling teachers to evaluate student progress effectively. Regular classroom observations took place from August 2024 to February 2025. Students used workbooks and other practice materials from their textbooks, giving them opportunities to apply their knowledge. Peer assessment and self-assessment techniques were primarily used to empower the students to locate their own weaknesses and mistakes and to solve those by their own leading to develop of self-confidence among them.
आम गुरुमा आमको खाता रे किंबा कलापट्टा रे विभिन्न प्रकार कार्य करबा को दियंती. आमको गणित माध्यम रे विभिन्न शिक्षण सामग्री देई थांती. आमे सेही सब सामग्री देखि गणित बहुत भल भाबरे बुझी थाउ एवं मो खाता मो सांग देखे एवं मो सांग मानो खाता मु देखे एवं सेही पाठ देखि आमे आम भूल संशोधन करि थाउ.
प्रयोगशाला स्कूल रे हमर जो एक्सपेरिमेंटल प्रोजेक्ट रो प्रोसेस बेस्ड असेसमेंट चलीची सेति पयगा हम डायट रो प्रत्येक फैकल्टी माने हमर रूटीन करा जाय छै. आमे तांकर क्लास को ऑब्जर्वेशन करिया को जिबा तो या फल आम क्लास को ऑब्जर्व करने समय रे मैडम पढ़ाऊा प्रत्येक सेशन गुड़िकर आम रिफ्लेक्शन नोट एवं आमर सुचिंतित सजेसन गुड़िक आम से लिखि था. यही ऑब्जर्वेशन सजेशन एवं रिफ्लेक्शन द्वारा उभय शिक्षक और शिक्षार्थी मानकर एक शिखा और शिखेबा प्रक्रिया दृढ़ीभूत होता है.
Reflection notes were maintained, allowing continuous improvement to strengthen review and feedback mechanism. Students' progress were analyzed in every month and detailed reports were recorded through an assessment tracker.
आमे पिला को पाठ पढ़े सारे विभिन्न प्रकार टीएलएम नहीं कि पढ़े सारा पर पिला से विषयटी को केते दूर शिखिछि ताहा जानिबा पइका आमे
Regular review meetings were conducted to assess progress and adjust strategies. The practicing teacher also actively reflected on her classroom practices, shared insights gained from the project. These reflections basically came from the rubrics, critical analysis of students' products, and regular dialogue with the diet faculties.
मो पिला मानको विभिन्न चित्र वस्तु माध्यम रे पिला मानको आग्रह सृष्टि करे एथिपई डाएट रो फैकल्टी माने मध्ये आसी क्लास टी को ऑब्जर्व करंती से माने आ जदि किछि कोठी भूल बटा रही थाए ता मध्ये संशोधित कराई थांती मेनली प्रोसेस बेस्ड असेसमेंट को एम्फासिस दबा जोथरे कि विभिन्न प्रकार की कंपोनेंट्स गुडी को अछि फॉर एग्जांपल
Throughout the implementation of the project team extended overall guidance and supervision, ensuring the smooth execution of the process-based assessment.
Assessment for learning and assessment as learning are basically the integration of the classroom practices with the evaluation and where the assessment and the teaching learning process and instruction can go together.
Students have shown growing and meaningful progress through the implementation of process-based assessment during the implementation period. Their gradual progress from beginning to advanced level indicates their deeper understanding of the concepts through adoption of continuous observation, assessments, and child-friendly strategies, which makes them more engaged and participative. It is evident from the project that students actively monitor and reflect on their own learning using self and peer assessment to understand their progress and identify areas for improvement, ultimately taking their ownership of their learning journey. If structured and regular integration of assessment in the teaching learning process is made by the teachers, it can also be concluded that process-based assessment is an ongoing process that occurs throughout the learning journey, not just at the end of a unit or course, where the primary focus is on student-driven learning, feedback, and reflection.